Hi, this is Senate Majority Leader Paul Gazelka with your weekly update. What a week! We were able to pass the reinsurance bill, which will make sure that we have private health insurance to provide for people's health care in Minnesota as a result of what we did. It was a hard-fought battle. We had to spend a lot of money to do it, but we want to make sure that the plans come and stay. They almost left last year, and so we did that so that they're going to stay. And after that, now we're going to start working on all the different kind of reforms that we're going to work on to drive down the cost. There's a number of things that we have to do. It hasn't been easy, but it feels like we're starting to turn the corner. So stay tuned. Step one was we provided the relief in early January with some reforms. This was step two. Now look for step three, where we work to drive down the cost of health care. So that was one big thing. And then the other thing that we did is we announced our first target. We want a tax bill that's going to have $900 million of tax relief to Minnesota. $900 million. We want to target it towards the middle class. We want to look at things like ag property tax relief. We want to look at lowering the lowest tax bracket, which will affect the middle class. Nobody's done that in 17 years. We're saying let's lower a tax bracket. We're looking at exempting Social Security from income tax and so much more. I'm so excited about that bill. Senator Roger Chamberlain is our tax chair. He announced it today. We're setting an agenda that says this is going to be really good for Minnesota. Go back 4 years, Democrats raised taxes over $2 billion. We have a surplus. That should go back to the taxpayer. So I'm very excited about that bill. Next week, we'll start talking about the transportation bill that we're going to do, education, and so much more. But really a good week, and stay tuned for the next update next week.